welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TiaBella, and I will be unboxing this package that I received from Saviland. Quick shout out to the first set of comments on my previous video, I think it was. Thank you so much for trying to be here for these videos on time, and thank you so much for watching them. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. So let's get into this package, starting off with a little bit of information pamphlet that usually comes in these polygel kits. This is a set of dual forms, which I don't use. And then this is a set of nail forms, which I also don't use yet, but I may be trying them very soon in the future. So included in this beautiful polygel kit is a 100-180 sanding file. Next up, we have a mini slip solution to use with your polygel. We also have a branded polygel brush and a spatula on the end there as well. This is a top coat, and also included is a base coat as well, which is really nice to have in this polygel kit. Now for the beautiful colors. I have never really tried green all over my fingers, so I'm very excited to try all these colors. And we have a avocado mint green theme going on with various shades of teal, of green, of a little bit of blue mixed in here. This is a glitter one. These are all very pretty colors. I'm not going to swatch these because I'm only going to be using about 3 of them, and then the other 4 I'm going to be saving for my next giveaway. And thank you guys. I forgot to say, thank you so much that we crossed over the 500. Yay! Thank you so much. Most of you, possibly 60% of you, possibly came because Babygirlnails shout me out, and you guys hopped over and showed some love. So I really appreciate you guys as well as Babygirlnails. Thank you so much. I will definitely go through all of the entries that I have received and get that out on the way. So I've selected my 3 Saviland polygel, and we are going to be trying the foil glue method on these nails. So basically, essentially, I am using the nail tips as dual forms instead of using dual form, and I'm using the foil glue as a way to pop these back off so that I only have just polygel. So what I'm doing is applying foil glue onto the bare nail tip, and then I'm going to apply it to my nail. So once that foil glue has dried, I'm then going to go ahead and apply polygel directly to the nail and then apply to my nail. So once you have your polygel pat into place, what I like to do is kind of stand my UV lamp a little bit up so that I can hold down the nail and then just allow it to cure. Make sure you position the nail properly. Don't press down too much. And because I am popping these off, I'm okay with it not being completely flush to my natural nail, because I'm going to file that down. And now for the moment of truth. Does it actually work? Can I get this nail tip off of this nail? So I can feel that underneath the nail, it's a little bit sticky. So I probably need to cure it just a little bit longer. And as you can see, it's like really not easy to pop this off, but it does come off and it does work. So I don't know if this is any less difficult or more difficult than just using a regular dual form. I have not used dual form. I don't know, the shape just doesn't work for me. Like some of the dual form shapes they don't match the look and feel of what the nail tips does. So that's why I just decided to use the nail tips instead. But again, you can leave this on and it'll be the Femi Beauty method, or you can pop them off. And as you can see, there's a little bit of space on the side there. So you're just going to go in with some extra polygel and just apply it on top of the nail, pat it into place, and cure it under your UV lamp. Obviously, you would still need to file and buff the nail. So I went ahead and did the same thing onto my pinky finger. And now I'm taking this glitter, this beautiful teal glitter polygel, and I'm going to be applying this to my middle finger. Honestly, this is one of the prettiest green set of polygels that I have come across. It's just stunning, stunning. All right, so the middle finger is done. I'm just going to leave that nail tip on there, let it marinate for a little bit, and then pop it off. But now I'm just going to move on to the final color, which is this pretty bright kind of pastel green. And I'm going to be applying this to my ring finger as well as my index finger. So the fingers have been marinating for a little bit, and I have popped the pinky off, and that is how that one is looking so far. And now let's move on to the ring finger, and let's quickly pop this back off. Surprisingly, this one wasn't too difficult to find an area to stick this cuticle pusher in. So yes, but you can see that it's really not just easy as just squeeze and pop off like possibly the dual forms are. You really have to get in there and put your back into it. So again, I don't know if this is easy, I would say, but it is a method and it does work. So you can see me, I'm literally struggling with this one here. And that could be because some of the polygel kind of lifted up over the edge of the nail, but eventually I do get it off. So I don't know if it's just the foil glue is an extra product and taking it off is an extra step. So I don't know how effective that is. Anyway, here is how the nails are looking. I'm grabbing my 100/180 and I'm using the 100 side to file around the cuticle area and just kind of get this nice and buffed and smooth. And then I'm taking that same side, the 100 side, and I'm just gonna try to straighten up the lines around the edges and try to get this stiletto as sharp and stiletto-y as possible. Now, in terms of the glue residue that's going to be left over when you pop the nails off, if you decide to try this method, just use your finger, your natural finger, and kind of just rub the glue down off of the nail. And then you're going to take an alcohol wipe and just kind of wipe off any excess. And that should get away that sticky layer from your nail. So to make sure that my nails are a little bit smooth, I'm going to go in with a layer of base coat, and then I'm going to go in with another layer of, or I should say the final layer of top coat. And I'm going to be adding some bling to my ring finger as well as my index finger just to tie in a little bit of color. So bear with me just a few more minutes and I will be showing you how I designed those two fingers. So first, I'm going to go in with some opal rhinestones. I think that's the name that a subscriber told me that they were called because they look a little bit dull. They aren't as shiny and bling bling as the regular rhinestones. And that's what I'm using. I'm using a mixture of shiny as well as opal rhinestones. And then I'm also adding in these horse eye rhinestones that I recently got from Amazon. And I'm just using the rhinestone, my new rhinestone picker, as well to position them onto my nail. This is a very simple and easy way to just add a little bit of bling onto your nail, and it's very simple. You don't have to do too much to this design to make it look pop, because there is glitter already in the design of the nail, so you definitely don't have to go too overboard with adding your bling. So the bling is done. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in a few of these gold embellishments. Just 2 of these into the corner of both sides of the horse eye rhinestone. I don't know, I'm obsessed with gold. I feel like I always have to add gold in. And I'm also going to take some small caviar beads. I think that's what they're called. The little small tiny little, round circles, just in between a few of the rhinestones, just to add a little bit more gold into this. And here is the final look of these nails. I think they look really cute, very simple, very easy. And don't forget, you can find this Polygel kit on Amazon. And thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.